Hello everybody, welcome. So, yes, it's true, it's storming a brew. That's okay. We're all dressed up and ready for the storm, so I think we're gonna be okay. Because everything's gonna be a little bit wet, you know? That's alright. We are prepared for that. Let's just move it along now. Stop going slow as molasses. Okay. Music cue. Awesome. Straps all are done up. I'm gonna turn this bad boy down so I can hear my thoughts. I don't turn it on, hopefully. Yeah, turn it on. So it can be annoying as well. Fuck. I can skip songs when no one told it to. I just get so angry. Alright. Again, I'm like wasting so much time, but that's okay. It's okay, my friends. We will be okay. Okay. Maybe I'll get this thing off. It doesn't sound too fucking good. Alright. Let's move this fucking bandwagon along. We're going straight on down here. Oh yeah, buddy. Straight on, make our own trail. I'm totally kidding. I don't want to pop my tires today. Not funny. Okay, let's just move it along now. Our shoelaces are done up. Good. It's always good when your shoelaces are done up. Because when they're not, fucking shit goes down. When you go off the trail, shit goes down too. It just naturally does that. Because the tires, right now I'm not running puncture resistant ones. Yeah, so that will be where we're getting all of our problems. In case you were wondering. Man, not on my game today. Should be able to pedal up there. Goddamn shoelaces coming undone. Whew! I tell you, if you could see past the rain, which you literally can't. Sorry. If you can see past the rain, it's nice to be out here, man. Especially the rain, it soothes all the wildfires going on right now. So that's a definite plus. I gotta do it with my shoelaces. Come on, shoelaces, work with me today. Not against me. We're in the same bloody team. What a boring video. Oh well. That's okay. It's a Wednesday ride. Happy hump day, everybody. Here comes the squeakiness.